Hello friends, welcome to my channel Amazon World. Today we are going to see how to download any videos or any music. We can download easily. It's very easy to download. Please subscribe our channel first. Now let's go ahead. First of all, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to search for a video, all-in-one video downloader. Just click in all-in-one video downloader. I have already downloaded it. So I open it. After that, it looks like you need to paste and download. You need to paste the link over here, so that I am going to the YouTube, then at the home and search any videos. Yes, I am searching a video, rap god. Now here it go. Now just look. It the must downloaded 1.2B views. Just click in the link and click share, and then click on the copy link, and then go to the all-in-one video downloader. Just paste and download. Then you will see like this. And if you want to download video, you need to tap here, or if you didn't want to download the video, you need to download. You can tap here, then click OK. Then the video will be downloaded. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. And for more info, remain with us. Thank you.